Good morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out my channel description first. Talks about me, who I am online. I am actually making this video. I'm uploading this video because I want to let everybody know I have actually changed my channel name. My YouTube channel name is now called Laudiaann Sylvest. The old name was Mindset Coach Laudiaann Sylvest. And I do still talk about the mindset reset. This is my life. This is my channel. And I want you all to know the types of videos I upload. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. And watch the next video at the end of every video. It's very informative. Okay, so check my latest uploads. I do upload regular. It's just depending on my topic and my content. So I am actually changing and tweaking my YouTube channel so that all of you guys can have a better understanding of what my channel is about. I do talk about ebooks, how to use ebooks. I'm an online marketer, so some people call me Coach Laudiaann because I do a little about everything online. So if you want to check out my ebooks, you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to join the AdSense program, it takes work, it takes time. I actually share with you my experience about YouTube and how you can grow your channel. I have marketing tools that I use online. I use Canva a lot. I do have online business like Etsy. I have ebook stores. Just name it. Okay, so you name it, I do a lot of things. And I'm a crocheter too. I'm a vendor, a craft vendor. So if you want to check me out, you can check out my crochet, my latest crochet that I've been making, all my handmaids. Alright, if you want to learn more about me, go to Easy Crochet. This is my crochet channel. It used to be called Crochet with Coach Laudiaann, but I changed my YouTube channel name to my business name, Jesus Crochet. So if you click on here, it will take you to my crochet channel. Alright, so I have latest uploads here. You want to learn about how to crochet. I do have videos on that too as well. If you're interested in learning to crochet, I have a playlist down here. It's called Crochet Stitches. So if you click on Crochet Stitches, I share with you all the basic stitches and how to crochet. So you can learn from me. Mindset Coach Laudiaann is now Laudiaann Sylvest. I started this channel in 2020 in June, and I've changed my name a lot, but you can change your YouTube channel name to whatever you want. You can change it anytime. I do talk about my music here. I have created a CD album. It's a Christian album. All of you guys will enjoy. You just click on it. It has my own name on there, Cassandra Laudiaann Provençal. That's me. This is in 2005. I was a lot younger. I am 60 now. So you want to meet my children? I have 6 grown children, 4 grandkids, 3 grandsons, and 1 granddaughter. My son's channel, his name is Anthony Provençal. It's a Christian rap channel. Alright, he has a mental illness. He has schizophrenia. He's very creative. He's using his rap to do evangelists. And some of them are really great. So you guys go ahead and check it out. Okay, so, and I do have Lottie Music. That's me. That's my nickname actually. But you can click there. You can hear my music if you want to. My name is Laudiaann Sylvest. That's me. I'm branding me, my name. And probably add on my YouTube channel art, Coach Laudiaann, somewhere in here, so everybody knows that I might say Coach Laudiaann Sylvest still. Anyway, I will talk to you all later. Thank you for checking out my video, and see you in the next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch every video, because at the end of the video, click on that playlist at the end of every video to stay encouraged because I do upload daily. Hit that notification bell so you get the latest video that I will be uploading. Alright, thank you all subscribers and new subscribers. Please leave your likes, your comments. Okay, I encourage you guys just to leave something you want me to talk about. Something, go ahead and write it down underneath. Alright, thank you everyone. Thank you for following me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.